In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove other traveler details on Booking.com. If you've added a second traveler and want to take them off the reservation, here's the key thing to understand up front. Booking.com doesn't treat guest details like a file you can simply delete. Once a reservation is confirmed, the system requires at least one named guest, and many bookings restrict how much you can change after the fact. That's why you won't find a straightforward delete button for a second traveler's name, and on some rate types, like certain partner offers, removal isn't available at all. What you can usually do is update the information that's already there. Start by signing in to your Booking.com account. Open Bookings and Trips, select the reservation you're working on, and look for Manage Booking. If your property and rate allow it, you'll see an option like Edit Guest Details or Update Traveler Info. From there, you can correct spellings or swap a guest name, then save your changes. Keep in mind, this modifies the entry rather than removing it entirely. And in some reservations, the edit option won't appear because the property's policy doesn't permit changes. If you don't see editing controls, reach out to the property directly. Use the message tool inside your reservation, or call the front desk and politely explain what needs to be updated or cleared. Many hotels are willing to adjust guest names on their side so they match the ID at check-in. After they've made the change, ask if they can push the update through to Booking.com or reissue a confirmation reflecting the correct traveler details. When neither the website nor the property gives you a clear path, contact Booking.com. Support via the Help Center or the app. Have your confirmation code handy and specify exactly which traveler details you want updated or removed. Support can sometimes coordinate with the property or apply a change if the policy allows it. Just remember, any post-booking change is subject to the property's rules. Some stays won't permit name edits at all without canceling and rebooking under the correct details. A few tips to make this smoother. Act as early as you can, since properties are more flexible before arrival. After any change, watch for an updated confirmation to ensure the names are exactly right. And make sure the lead guest name matches the person who will present ID at check-in, as that's often what staff verify. That's the process. While you typically can't fully remove an extra traveler's details, updating them through the booking, the property, or support will get you to the same practical result.